How to fix OBS not capturing game. Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a black screen issue in OBS. So if you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, don't forget to drop a like. And alright, so let's jump right in. So into this tutorial right now, you can see that I have a black screen and it's not really capturing any game. So I have a really effective fix towards the end of the video, but first I want to go over some basics troubleshooting steps. So for that, for the first solution, you need to go to the sources panel in one of your screens. Then you'll have to add display capture source. Many users prefer window capture or game capture, but sometimes that's the reason you're getting a black screen. Those applications might not be running or their windows aren't active. To add display capture, click the plus icon and select display capture. And after that, what you're going to do is you can, give it a name, and after that, just simply click on OK. And choose the monitor you want to record, and after that you can just choose a monitor like here. Instead of automatic and instead of display, I'm going to click on this one, and now you can see you can just click on OK, and this would resolve your issue. In my case, it has resolved my issue, but if it doesn't, don't worry, I have another fix that has worked for a lot of people. So you can just right click on your desktop, and after that you could select the option that says display settings. So what you're going to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of display, and here you got to click on graphic settings. That is the last option, so just click on graphic settings, and once you do so, you'll be able to see choose an app to set preference. So you can just select it according to your own choice, click on browse, and after that what you're going to do is come to your PC, click on local disk. You gotta either search in program files or program x86. So here what you're gonna do is scroll to the bottom till you find OBS Studio. So if you don't have it here, you can find it in x86, then click on this, then 64-bit, and then you gotta click on this and click on add. So basically just click on obs.exe and add. Now here you can see that it has been added. So you can just click on options, and here now you'll see a few different GPU options. If your system has multiple GPUs, you'll notice two choices. One is power saving mode and one is high performance mode. So if you have an Intel processor, you may see Intel GPU, and you can try selecting. So click save, then restart OBS. So avoid using the let Windows decide option. Manually testing both settings is the best way to see which one works for you. One of these fixes should help you resolve the black screen issue in OBS. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.